my lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create my own forest tea blend. Tea has always been part of my life. I drink them in the morning, sometimes in the afternoon, and throughout the whole day. Those teas that I bought from the shop are not so nutritious, so I thought, why not pick those that I can find for free in the forest. I drink tea for two reasons. The first reason is for health benefit, and the other is I really like the flavors of this tea, especially those that you handpick them. It's totally different from those that you buy from the shop. They say that when drinking tea, the best water is filtered water. It makes the tea taste much nicer. On my birthday, I got this filter jar from LG. I was really happy because I've always wanted it, but I couldn't find them in the store. So I found them at Lidl, and I just, without any hesitation, I took it, and LG said I could have them as my birthday present. So it was really nice, and I thought from the beginning, I will show you how I prepared this, because there are procedures you have to do before this jar can be used to filter water. And after that, I will show you how I brew my tea. There are many ways you can brew a tea. The way that I am using is the normal method, and because tea are very sensitive, you want to protect the benefits and the nutritious in the plant, so you're not allowed to cook them over high heat, because if you cook them over high heat, you will lose the benefits. So I'm going to show you my method. Maybe some of you guys has been cooking tea, you might not agree, so let me know if I'm doing this correctly, but this is how I've always been doing. I want to maintain the tea temperature to be cooked under 70 degrees. I think that way is much safer to preserve its nutritious value. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I look forward to hearing from you what you think about this video. Let me know in the comment. I usually reply to videos within 1 hour after I release them. So if you want a quick reply, make sure you send it to me quickly. I hope you enjoy this video. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I look forward to hearing from you what you think about this video. Let me know in the comment. And when you are subscribing to my channel, don't forget to put the notification bell on so that you will get a notification the minute I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a great weekend ahead, and I'll see you in my next video.